Welcome to shiksha.com. Registrations for ATMA 2022 exam for the February session have begun and the last date to register for the exam is February 6th. The fee payment window will close on February 5th. ATMA exam will be conducted in the computer-based test mode on February 13th across various centers in the country. In this video, we will share a step-by-step guide on how to fill the ATMA application form. Firstly, visit the official website of ATMA AIMS, that is ATMA.com. On the home page, click on the Click Here to Pay the Fee button in the notification panel. You will be redirected to a new web page. Select the fee concession category if applicable. You will be required to upload the required documents in the prescribed format and finally move on to filling the required details. Check the details filled and click on Proceed to Fee Payment button. Verify the details and click on Pay Now. Pay the application fee using a credit card, debit card or net banking or UPI. After the fee payment is successful, take a printout of the fee payment receipt and save it for future reference. Students will receive a PID number and password on their registered email ID and phone number. Then, go to the registration page and fill in the required details such as name, email ID, mobile number, Aadhaar number, PID number, address, etc. and upload the required documents such as photos and signature. Students need to choose 2 test centers according to their preference. Proceed to fill the codes of the 5 institutes of your preference. Once the details have been filled, click on Click Here to Register for the ATMA exam button. Login ID and password will be sent to the students on their registered mobile number after successful registration. Log in using the PID number and password on the web page. Finally, click on Reprint Registration Form and save the ATMA registration form for future reference. Students must also take a printout of the same. This was all about ATMA 2022 registrations.